So again, let me show you how you can add an admin to your Facebook page. So watch this video carefully. If you have any questions, you can ask me after watching it. So I will log into my Facebook now. So this is my Facebook. Then right from the top here, I will select the right account. So let's assume this is the Facebook page I want to add admin to. Then from here, I will click on professional dashboard. Once I click on it, then you will scroll down a bit, then click on settings. After clicking on settings, you just scroll up a bit, then you see page setup. Click on that page setup. After that, you will see page access. Then click on page access. Then from here, you are seeing people with Facebook access. Just click on add new with on that. Let's give you some time to pop up. So after clicking on that, from here just click on next. Then here you search the name of the person you want to add. So let me add one of my friend. I'm showing you how you can do it. So let's assume I want to add David Smart to the page now. I'll just click on his name. Then from here, you are seeing the access you are giving him. So this is the button I ask you to turn on. So make sure you toggle on this button on to give me the full control access. You toggle the button on like this. After toggle it on, then you click on give access. Then it's going to ask you to put your Facebook password. Just put your Facebook password here and you click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, the person you are adding to the page is going to get notification from their Facebook. Then from there they can accept the invite to the page. So this is how you can add someone as an admin to your Facebook page. If you have any questions, please ask and I will respond to you.